the box truck edition. So one of our rental trucks that we have, there's a recall on the truck, and so everyone is on the truck today working, including Austin, and I have to go. I'm at the warehouse. I have to pick up the truck. I have to take it to Enterprise and switch it out for the other truck. Meaning, I also have to take all of our material off the truck and put it on the new truck. So, when you're a business owner, you know, these are some things that you have to do when... Okay, so before I drop this truck off, I had to stop at the gas station. I hate it. Oh my God. I had to stop at the gas station. It's so many messages about, is it hard to drive a box truck? It is not hard to drive a box truck at all. I mean, if I'm doing it, you can do it too.